Hey traders, good morning. We are live right now and I'm happy to see so many members already here. I see more than 25 people already here watching the live stream. And while other members are connecting to the live stream, let me briefly introduce myself and let me explain to you what I'm planning to do right here. First, my name is Vasily. I am a professional trader. I'm a trading coach. I have more than 8 years of trading experience. For more than 5 years, I'm present on TradingView. For more than 5 years, I'm posting my ideas, my signals, my forecasts on TradingView. And I'm a pure technical trader. In order to make trading decisions, I'm applying technical analysis. I'm relying on structure, on price action, and I am not a fundamental trader. Yes, so in this in this live stream, we will focus on technical analysis. And the strategy that I apply is called a top-down trading strategy. Yes, it is aimed to apply multiple time frames. Yes, the idea of the strategy is quite simple. On higher time frames, we are trying to identify the key levels, we are trying to spot the market trend, and then in lower time frames, we are looking for a confirmation of the predictions that we made on higher time frames. And in this live streams, I will show you how I apply my trading strategy in practice. Moreover, it is the first live stream this year. Yes, as I promised. Yes, the last stream was in December, and I promised that we will see each other again in January. Yes, so I'm happy to be here. Also, remember, traders, that here on YouTube we have a live chat, and there you can ask me questions. During this live stream, I will monitor the messages in the chat. Yes, and I want to have a discussion with you. Yes, so feel free to ask questions concerning different financial instruments. Feel free to ask me questions about life, about trading, about anything you want. And I see Chiron right here. Hello. I see Vignesh. I see Vasim Irshad. And by the way, traders, if I pronounce your name incorrectly, I'm sorry for that. Yes, sometimes it is quite hard to read your name properly. So nice to see you, traders. Nice to see John. Nice to see Chris. Nice to see Nigel. Nice to see you, traders. Let me know if you have any question. Let me know if you want to ask me something. And I wanted to start this live stream with Dollar Cat here. Yes, let me show you how top-down trading strategy works. And let me show you the trade that I took yesterday trading the US session. Yes, very brilliant top-down trade right there. So we start our analysis with the higher time frame. Yes, we are starting the analysis from a higher time frame, and I usually start from a daily. Why daily? Because on a daily time frame, you can see the price action during the entire year. Yes, you can spot where the market is going, and you can spot the points, the levels, the areas from where it will be safe for you to trade this market. So look what I see here on Dollar Cat. Definitely the market is bullish. But even though it is bullish, for now, bulls are stuck on that structure. You can see that multiple times in a row, that structure was respected. And you can see that multiple times in a row, sellers were selling from that structure. And recently, in December, once that structure was reached, look at this head and shoulders pattern that the price formed. Yes, very cute head and shoulders pattern. And you can see that here the price for some time was respecting this horizontal neckline. And you can see that many times in a row buyers were buying from that neckline. But then it was broken. And of course, we knew that first of all, head and shoulders pattern is a reversal pattern, is a very bearish pattern. And moreover, we knew that once the neckline of the head and shoulders pattern is broken, most of the time a strong bearish rally follows. Yes, that is the fact. So from that neckline, we can look for shorting opportunities. In case if we short from this neckline, where the market will go, we need to analyze the structure. And look what I see right here. If we zoom out the chart, right here I see this cute trend line. Yes, you can see that the price sets high lows respecting this trend line. Yes, and of course, I guess for the sellers, it will be the first goal. Moreover, look by the way at candlesticks. Just analyzing the daily time frame, look how the price reacted to the broken neckline. First, we were rejected. Look at this strong wick right here, long wick right here. And then the price formed a very huge doji candle. Yes, within that blue structure. It is very telling, and of course, it leaves very bearish clues. Then we start analyzing lower time frames. Then we are looking for confirmations. Yes, we are looking for the proof that the structure that we spotted indeed is strong. Yes, so let's open the 4-hour time frame and let's see what is there. What do we see on the 4-hour time frame? Here, let's execute the candlesticks analysis. Look at this bullish rally. Yes, we got a very strong bullish rally from that trend line. But once the upper boundary of our neckline was reached, look at this bearish engulfing candle. Yes, sellers started to sell. You can see that this bearish candle engulfed the range of the previous bullish candle. And again, it is a very strong bearish clue. Look what I spotted on hourly time frame. A lot of clues on hourly time frame. Here the price formed a very cute double bottom formation. Sorry, double top formation. I mean, look, do you see the double top? Here's our first top and here's our second top. We call such a double top formation a double top with the low high. Moreover, look what else we have right here. We have a trend line. Yes, very nice rising trend line right here. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4 times in a row it was respected. And then look, during the US session yesterday, it was broken to the downside. Yes, it is very strong bearish clue. So you can see that the neckline of our double top formation was broken to the downside. Yes, because it's confirmed breakout. And then at night we saw the retest. So from that point, short trade was opened with the stop lying above this low high. Yes. And now I have an active trade right here. And now I expect a bearish movement to our trend line. Let me know, traders, if everything is clear so far with this trading setup. Let me know if everything makes sense to you. If something is not clear, feel free to ask. We have a live chat right here. So yeah, don't be shy and ask. So, and last thing about this trade is that, of course, it is very important to know at which point we should protect our position. Yes, it's when the market reaches a particular level, I prefer to move my stop to entry and make my position risk-free. Usually, it is called the break-even point. And usually this point is based on some intraday strong structure. So once the price reaches such kind of the intraday strong structure, I move my stop to entry. And here is that structure. Look at this level. Yeah, you can see that in the recent past, on the intraday perspective, the price respected that structure many times. So once the price reaches this 125.6 level, yes, I will move my stop to entry and make my position risk-free. So you can see that here we started with a daily time frame. On a daily time frame, we spotted this neckline, the strong horizontal neckline of the head and shoulders pattern. And we spotted that the price is testing that structure at the moment. Then we started analyzing the lower time frames. On 4-hour, we spotted the bearish engulfing candle. And then on hourly time frame, we spotted a double top formation, the neckline breakout, the breakout of the trend line. So we spotted a lot of bearish clues, and our entry point was the retest of a broken neckline. I hope that everything is here. RP says, hello from New Zealand. Hello, bro. Gilbert says, hi, Vasily. Hello, bro. Vasim says, I'm a huge fan of you and I am following you since 2021. Thank you, bro. Thank you for following. Abina says, hi, hello. Vusi says, Good morning, Vasily and the team. Good morning, traders. Good morning, everyone. Abel says, welcome, sir. And I sent my question long before the live. Bro, if you send the questions before the live, send them again, because for some reason, once the live session starts, YouTube removes all the old messages. Yeah, so post them again. Nice to see Chimi right here. Nice to see Abdi right here. Nice to see Pao. Yes, nice to see you, traders. Let me know if everything is clear with this one. You are very clear on Dollar Cat, sir. Thank you. Could that trend line work against our sell trade? Says Mujanja. Yes, this trend line, I guess you're asking about this trend line that we spotted in the daily. Of course, it can play against our trade. For that reason, you can see that our target is lying above the trend line, not on the trend line, but above the trend line. Yes, because of course, for buyers right now, that trend line is the closest closest spot to buy from. For that reason, we should close our position before that trend line is reached. And I see a lot of questions about gold already, so I guess let's analyze gold together. And Sergio asks, what is your trading hours per day? Maybe it's just some morning and evening hours. You know, bro, I start around 8 or 7 a.m. in the morning and usually leave my office around 8 p.m. So I spend many times in front of the screen, and sometimes if the market is weak, if the market is boring, I stop trading during the US opening. Yes, I'm always waiting for the US opening, and I want to see how the volatility, yes, during the US session. If the market is weak, I usually stop trading and do something else. But in case if the market is volatile, I can stay a bit more. Yes, so being a full-time trader, you know, I have the entire day from early morning to late night to trade. So here I'm free to choose. Yes. Oliver asks about pound dollar. Yes, we will analyze pound dollar together. And Ahmed says, I bought gold as an investment from 1780. In your opinion, is gold heading to 1900 level, or is there a decline again? Let's discuss. Let's open gold together. And by the way, traders, let's take away all the drawings. And we start with the higher time frame again. We start with the daily time frame. And let's zoom out the chart. Let's try to get what is happening with gold. And there was a question concerning the investment. Yes, concerning investing in gold. The main problem with investing in gold is a very bearish price action right here. Look. Here we have a very strong horizontal structure support. You can see that for now the price sets equal lows around that structure. 3 times in a row that structure was respected. And at the same time, look, the price keeps setting low highs. Yes, we are becoming closer and closer and closer to this support. You can see that this low highs, you know, this lower highs leave very bearish clues. And while the market is trading below that trend line, I wouldn't buy gold for investment. Yes, for investing purposes. You know, for now, what we should look for to buy gold for holding is a bullish breakout of this trend line. Yes, you can see that we are very close to that trend line at the moment. And by the way, traders, let me know in the chat, what do you expect from gold? Do you believe that this trend line will be broken soon and we will see a strong bullish continuation? Or do you believe that this trend line will be respected? Let me know in the chat. For now, I decided to wait. For now, I simply waiting for the test of that trend line. Yes, you can see that here we have this decent trend line. We are testing that at the moment, and I'm waiting for its breakout. Yes, in case if we break that, in case if we see the violation of that trend line to the upside, most likely a strong bullish rally will follow, and then indeed 1900 level will be reached, most likely. But again, for now it is not clear. The market participants need some trigger. They need some fundamentals probably to break that trend line to the upside. So probably a strong inflation spike, probably Fed refuses to increase the rates, then finally gold will start growing sharply. Who knows? Who knows? We can only speculate about that. And I see that Adam says that he's bullish, yes, and then MFund says that the trend line will be respected. You can see that here the outlook is very mixed, and some traders are expecting a bullish movement, some traders are expecting a bearish movement, and let's be smart right here. Instead of buying or selling right now, instead, let's wait for the decision of the market participants. Yes, let's let them decide, and then let's just follow the market. Yes, let's be patient and let's be smart. So we will expect a bullish rally on gold in case of a bullish breakout of the trend line. But if you are bearish, if you are looking for shorting opportunities, what is your confirmation here to sell? For now, look, I see this horizontal structure support right here. Yes, quite strong support right here. And I believe that in order to sell gold, we need at least a bearish breakout of the blue structure support to the downside. We need a daily candle close below that blue area to short. Yes, in case if the price violates the blue area to the downside, I will expect a bearish movement to that structure first, and then potentially to that structure. So you can see it. Everything here is based on breakouts. Yes, bullish breakout of the trend line leads to bullish continuation, and the bearish breakout of this horizontal support leads to bearish continuation. So let's be patient and wait. Then, what else I wanted to discuss with you today? Let's take a look at pound dollar. There was a question about pound dollar pair. And by the way, traders, do you agree with me concerning gold analysis? And let me know if everything is clear with that. Now, pound dollar. What is happening with pound dollar? And here I wanted to start with the weekly time frame. The fact is that from May, the market is trading in a bearish trend. And for now, you can see that the market is stuck within this falling, expanding wedge pattern. And look, recently the price reached the resistance of this channel. Yes, the resistance of this channel was reached. And then, look, we formed a bearish engulfing candle right here. The price engulfed the range of the previous bullish candle. And for us, it is a very strong bearish clear. So what we can expect right now in pound dollar, I guess we can expect a bearish continuation to lower structure levels. Again, the market can easily drop lower right now, following the trend. So outlook is very bearish. Let's look what happened on a daily time frame. On a daily time frame, look, once the resistance of the channel was reached, we formed a so cute doji candle right here. Yes, then a bearish candle, then strong bearish candle, and then the market started to fall. Moreover, if we open a 4-hour time frame, again, look, so cute, double top right here. Double top, and moreover the price was trading within this rising channel, and this channel was broken to the downside. We got the confirmed breakout of the support of the channel to the downside. So no surprise that pound dollar is falling. So let's expect here a bearish continuation. Yes, I'm very bearish here. By the way, just if you are looking for buying opportunities, if you're looking for a pullback trade on pound dollar, the closest structure to watch is that level. Yes, look, it is quite strong recent structure. Yes, you can see that it was quite strong support, then it was broken, turned into resistance, and then it was broken again, and now it turned into support. Yes, so let's try to catch a pullback from that structure. Our plan is the following: we let the price reach that structure first, and then once it is reached, we are looking for the confirmation. Yeah, similar to dollar CAD pair, we start analyzing lower time frames, 4 hour, 1 hour time frames, and we are looking for the confirmation here to buy. Yes. Let me know, traders, if everything is clear. Abdullah says, WTI oil. Yes, we will discuss it. And yes, I see that inflation is increasing. Yes, that is true. And you know, what surprises me is the fact that even though the prices are growing, even though we see the inflation spike in Europe, in the United States, gold is very stable. Yes, and I don't like the conspiracy theories, but when we see the inflation spike and no reaction from gold, you know, I started to think that probably the big politicians or someone there is trying to stop gold from growing. Yes, taking into consideration that all other commodities started to grow sharply. You know, it is very strange. Since the markets are of risk, oil, gold, and Bitcoin are the favorite in this time. However, I feel gold and metals will have a bear market with BTC. You know, I do agree about oil and gold, but concerning Bitcoin, not really. You know, in my view, if everything falls apart, yes, I think Bitcoin will fall as well. You know, it is kind of risky thing, and in case of the inflation spike, I don't know whether the market participants will prefer Bitcoin to gold or oil. I think more conservative instruments will win right here. Yes, please do crypto. Yes, I prepared for you some analysis on crypto. Yes, we will take a look at Bitcoin together. Moreover, I wanted to discuss with you some else and yeah, a lot of different things. So stay tuned. By the way, traders, please don't forget to like this live stream. Yes, it really helps and motivates to do more live streams for you. Then, what else I prepared for you for today? Let's briefly take a look at Bitcoin. Yes, I guess we all saw this massive bearish rally. And if we take our all-time structure high and measure that, we lost more than 50%. Yes, the bearish rally here is phenomenal. And let's take away all the drawings and let's zoom out the chart. What happened recently is the price violated a 40,000 level. Yes, you know, I was very bullish from that level, to be honest. I really believed that from that level the market will start growing. But instead you can see that the structure was broken. And to me, it was quite surprising, to be honest. Right now I'm patiently waiting for the test of that major structure around 30,000 level. In my view, it is the last resort for buyers. Yes, in case if that structure is broken to the downside, you know, the next strong structure will be much lower. Yes, so watch carefully this 30,000 level. Once this 30,000 level will be reached, I will look for long-term buying opportunities. Yes, I will look for the confirmation, and then I will look for the opportunities to buy Bitcoin. And from a current perspective, remember that structure that recently was a support right now turned into resistance. So it is not a good moment for you to buy Bitcoin from current prices. Yes, instead, let it go a bit lower. Yes, and only then look for buying. There was a question about WTI crude oil. Let's take a look at this one together. By the way, traders, let me know if you agree with me concerning Bitcoin, that it can easily drop lower. Yes, the market is locally very bearish, so 30,000 level test is almost inevitable. What is happening with WTI crude oil? Of course, the first clue is that we are trading here in a bullish trend. Yes, we are trading in a bullish trend, and from that support 3 times in a row we saw strong bullish rallies. Then the second clue is this trend line right here. Look at this major rising trend line. You can see that so far it is the closest strong resistance. And look what happened just recently. Just recently, the price violated our previous high, setting a new higher close on it daily. Yes, it is a very strong bullish clue. And look how the price acted in the past. Yes, here was our previous high. And once that high was violated, we saw a strong bullish rally. Then right here, we got a new high. Once the price tested that high and violated that to the upside, we saw a strong bullish continuation. So why not to expect a bullish rally on WTI crude oil again? Yes, I'm quite sure that the market here will go higher and higher. Yes, and for now the goal for buyers is the trend line. Even though I'm very bullish, if you don't have any active position on WTI crude oil, from current price levels, it is very risky for you to buy. Yes, the closest strong structure that I would look for buying is that horizontal structure support right here. Very nice demand cluster right here, so pay close attention to this one. And the next strong structure support will be right here. Yes, these 2 key levels are on focus, and just in case if one of them is reached, look for the confirmation to buy from here. Let me know, traders, if you agree with me that WTI oil looks very bullish and that we can go much higher. And also let me know if you have any question. But traders, please don't short it. Even if you believe that it is oversold, overbought, if you see some indicators telling you that it is the moment for you to short, remember that shorting, you will go against the crowd. Yes, you will go against the trend, and it will be very risky. Remember that trend is our friend, and it is better to follow the trend when we have such a sharp bullish market. Yes. Also, I briefly wanted to open the weekly time frame and briefly take a look with you at the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame here, I noticed this peculiar horizontal structure. Look at that level. Yes, to me, this level looks quite strong. And you can see that from a current perspective, the level that we spotted on a weekly matches perfectly with the trend line that we spotted on a daily. So that zone is extremely strong. Yes, here we have a very nice confluence between the vertical structure and the horizontal structure. So from that trend line, I will expect a pullback. And if you are a counter trend trader, yes, I guess that will be the closest zone for you to short from. Yes, I hope it is clear. Let me know, traders, if you have any question. How many pairs do you analyze per week and how many trades do you take per week, says Akinola. I have very extended watch list. My first priority are the Forex pairs. Yes, here's my main watch list, and here I have all major Forex pairs. Here I also have oil, gold, S&P 500, dollar index, Bitcoin. This is my main watch list, and I analyze this watch list every Monday. Yes, every Monday I take away all the drawings from these instruments and I redraw again. Yes, so each and every Monday I analyze all these instruments from scratch. But also I monitor altcoins. Yes, you can see I am watching this altcoins. I watch big stocks. I watch bonds, commodities market. Yes, a lot of different instruments are on focus. Since I became a full-time trader, I have so much time for analysis, for charting, so my watch list is very extended. Yes, and thank you for asking. And people for his name says, could you analyze euro dollar, please? Yes, let's take a look at euro dollar together. And Chimi asks about dollar Swiss pair. Yes, we will analyze that together. By the way, Billy asked about stop loss and take profit for pound dollar. Billy, the point is that you can see that the market is very far from the resistance of the channel that we spotted together. So from a current perspective, I cannot suggest you good stop loss, good take profit, because we are trading too far from safe trading points. Yes, let the price reach safe trading points first, and only then decide where is your safe stop loss and where is your safe take profit. Euro dollar. Guys, here, by the way, on euro dollar, I have a very nice breakout trading lesson for you. Yes, pay close attention. If you trade breakouts of trend lines, here it might be very important to you. First clue, euro dollar is trading in a bearish trend. Yes, we are bearish. We are trading in a long-term bearish trend right here, and once that structure low was reached, we started a correctional movement. Yes, the market started to correct itself. And correcting itself, the price formed a flag pattern. Look, over here we have this very nice flag formation. Yes, here it goes. Here goes its support. Here goes its resistance. So you can see that the price is stuck within this rising channel. And what we know about the flag pattern, once the flag's support is broken to the downside, it is a very strong bearish clue, and then most likely the market returns back to a global bearish trend. Yes, but even though it is quite easy to say that what we should look for is the breakout of support, in practice it is very hard to spot a confirmed breakout. So let's discuss how to confirm the violation of the support of the flag right here. By the way, traders, do you believe that the flag here is broken? To you, the breakout here is confirmed or not? Let me know in the chat, because to me, the breakout here is not confirmed. How to confirm the breakout of this flag right here? First of all, the first condition, of course, is the daily candle close below the support of the flag. Yes, that is the first condition. And you can see that even though we are trading below the support of the flag at the moment, this candle is not closed. Yes, 13 hours. This daily candle closes in 13 hours. So for now, we are waiting. For now, the market, even though it is trading below that, the candle is not closed. But that is not all. When we are trading the breakouts of trend lines, when we are trading the breakouts of channels, quite often newbie traders here are caught by false breakouts. And to avoid a false breakout, pay close attention to the last higher level. Yes, look at this horizontal structure. This horizontal structure here is extremely strong. 1, 2, 3 times in a row it was respected. So in order to confirm the breakout of the flag, what you should look for? You should look for a violation of that entire area to the downside. You need the daily candle close below that entire area. This area is based on the trend line, and this area is based on the horizontal structure. And only when the daily candle closes below that, then on a retest you can look for shorting opportunities, yes, and only then a bearish continuation to a current structure low is expected. Yes, I hope that it is clear. And of course, we are very bearish right now with euro dollar. Yes, bias is bearish, but even though we are bearish biased, for now, being the intraday traders, for us, it is too risky to sell the pair from current price levels. Yes, I hope that it is clear. Yes, let me know, traders, if you got the point, and let me know, traders, if everything is clear with the breakout technique that I'm trying to explain right here. Ankit says Dodge USD. Yes, we will take a look at Dodge. Moreover, this morning I bought Dogecoin. Yes, I will show you how I bought that and what are my targets. Kyron says it is a wise decision to avoid trades today as we have huge news. Yes, moreover, we have a lot of news. Yes, that is true, and most likely the news will make the market very volatile. Yes, and this USD news probably will make gold move. Yes. John says, hey Vasily, have you seen the sell-off on stock market and major indexes? What are your thoughts and what do you suggest? That is a very good question, John. Thank you for asking. And indeed, Facebook, Apple, Amazon, very strong bearish movements right there. And in my watch list, I have Nasdaq, I have S&P 500, and look what happened with S&P. Look, we got here a massive sell-off, and with my students, we discussed this bearish rally, and indeed, it looks scary. But let's zoom out the chart. Zooming out the chart, look over here, the price is currently taking off from a major strong zone of demand. Yes, very strong demand cluster right here. And you can see that once that demand cluster was reached, we got here a very nice rejection. The price formed a very nice rejection candle. Look at this crazy candle. Yes, look at this long wick. Look at this small body. Definitely some market participants started to buy from here. Yes, it is very telling. And by the way, traders, even though we had this strong bearish rally, remember that technically speaking, we are still trading in a strong bullish trend. Yes, the trend is still bullish, and for now it is not violated. So once that strong structure was reached, with my students, we were looking for buying opportunities. On the 4-hour time frame here, we spotted this very nice bullish engulfing candle. Once that blue structure was reached, we bounced nicely with this bullish engulfing candle. And look what happened on hourly time frame. On hourly time frame right here, the price violated this expanding wedge pattern to the upside. Yes, look, here we got this expanding wedge. Here we got the channel. So we got two trend lines, two resistances, two falling trend lines being broken to the upside. And on a retest, we decided to buy the market with my students. So on my investing account, I bought S&P 500. I buy S&P 500 without leverage. Yes, I buy ETF for holding purposes. And now a bullish continuation is expected. Yes, we see a strong bullish close right here, so be ready for a bullish continuation. Yes, I still believe that Fed will not let the index go lower because it will trigger a panic, and it looks like Biden's administration doesn't want this panic at the moment. Yes, the situation itself is not that good, and the stock market crash will even worsen the situation. So that are my thoughts. There was a question about dollar Swiss pair, if I remember correctly. So let's briefly take a look at dollar Swiss. Dollar Swiss right now is in a consolidation. Yes, let's first, by the way, let's open the 3D chart. On the 3D chart, you can see that we are trading in a global bearish trend. Yes, the market is very bearish, and from 2019, we are trading in a bearish trend. And once the price reached this structurally, we started a correctional movement. Correcting itself, you can see that the market started to trade in sideways. Look, if we open a daily time frame, at the moment, the market is trading within this horizontal trading range. Yes, that is our current range. And of course, to catch a trend following movement, to catch a bearish continuation on dollar Swiss, you should look for the bearish breakout of the ranges support to the downside. Yes, that will be your trigger to sell. If you are a swing trader, that is what you should wait for shorting the market. And if you are an intraday trader, of course, you can consider the boundaries of this range for trading. You can look for shorting from the resistance of the range. You can look for buying from the support of the range. Look what happened when the price reached the support of the range. Once the support of the range was reached, here in the beginning of January, the price formed so nice double bottom. Yes, you see this double bottom. The neckline was broken, and then we saw a very nice pullback. And now we see a bullish continuation. So consider such kind of trading, the range trading, buying from resistance, buying from support, selling from resistance with the confirmation. Yes, that is your strategy for intraday trader. And locally, I expect a bullish continuation on $USD. I believe that we can easily go higher. Yes, I'm very bullish biased locally on $USD, and I believe that we can reach at least that structure shelf quite soon. Yeah. Joe Biden caught sleeping during the end of the speech where he thought his mic was off. He is clearly caught saying inflation is an asset and more inflation. Yeah. That is true. I do agree with you. I'm not sure if it is breakout. Might be a false breakout, says Chimmy. I guess you are talking about euro dollar. Yes, and from a current perspective there, definitely it looks like a false breakout. Yes. Simon says gold, please. Simon, we already discussed gold. So watch the recording. At the beginning of the live stream, we analyzed gold together. I gave the conditions that I'm looking for to buy or sell gold. So please watch. Then there was a question about Dogecoin. Traders, this morning I bought Dogecoin. Look what I see on Dogecoin. By the way, we just discussed the range trading on $USD. And on Dogecoin, I see a similar range. Look, we are on a daily time frame. And from December, the market is trading within a range. Yes, you can see that we are trading within this horizontal trading range. And you can see that recently the price reached the support of this range. Once we reached the support of this range, the market started to consolidate. You can see that we got a local indecision right here. After the strong bearish rally, once that support was reached, you can see that we started to coil. Yes, and of course, to us, it is a very good clue. On the 4-hour time frame, I spotted here a very nice double bottom formation. Yes, I hope you see this double bottom. Very cute double bottom here. Yes, we got the confirmed neckline breakout. Yes, so I bought Dogecoin on a retest of a broken neckline. I set my stop here below the lows of the pattern. And for now, I expect a bullish movement at least to that strong structure resistance. Yes, so here's my trade. Here I have 2-to-1 risk to reward, and my break-even point is right here. Once that level here is reached, I will move my stop to entry and make my position risk-free. Let me know, traders, by the way, do you believe that altcoins are preparing for a bullish movement? You can see that in my crypto watch list, I have a lot of flagged instruments. The fact is that many of them are approaching key levels. For example, Litecoin. Yes, you can see that it is on a strong key level at the moment. So I believe that after this massive sell-off, the alts are preparing for a correctional movement. Do you agree with me or not? Because I know there are a lot of skeptics out there looking for a further decline. Then Branded Mind says, Dollar Cat, bro, I started a live stream with Dollar Cat. When I started the live stream, I even shared my short trade on Dollar Cat with entry, stop, and target. Let me briefly show you how it looks like, but if you want to see the entire analysis, please watch the recording. Yes, here's my short trade on Dollar Cat. I saw a question about EURUSD from Simon. Let's take a look at EURUSD together, Simon. Let me know, Simon, what do you personally expect from EURUSD? Are you bullish or bearish right here? I am very bearish on EURUSD. First of all, we are trading here in a bearish trend. Yes, you can see that from 2020, the market is trading in a sharp bearish trend. Recently, we got this strong bearish rally. Yes, we got this strong bearish rally, and from that point, the market started a correctional movement. Yes, we got a very nice correctional rally right here, and the price was respecting this rising trend line. Yes, we got a very nice rising trend line right here. And you can see that this trend line was broken to the downside. And at the moment, the price is falling from this strong confluence zone. Yes, the zone, the area based on that trend line and based on that horizontal structure. So I believe that with a high probability, EURUSD will keep falling. Moreover, look what I spotted on lower time frames. First of all, on the 4-hour time frame here, I spotted a very nice bearish engulfing candle. Yes, once that zone was reached, we saw strong bearish reaction from that. And look what I spotted on hourly time frame. On hourly time frame right here, the price violated this trend line. Yes, we have a very nice minor rising trend line that was broken to the downside, retested, and then the price went lower. So I'm very bearish on EURUSD. Let me know, traders, if you agree with me that EURUSD looks very bearish. To me, the pair will most likely keep falling. Yes, and thank you for asking, Simon. I see the question from Willie about pound yen pair. Let's take a look at pound yen pair together and let's discuss it. The first thing, again, pound yen is trading in a bullish trend. Yes, you can see that analyzing a daily time frame, we are globally very bullish on the pair. Then let's zoom in. Recently you can see that we reached that structure high, and from that structure high we dropped. For now, it is our higher high. Yes, and then the price tried to retest that structure, but instead set a low high and dropped. Because the market is bullish, because we are trading in a bullish trend, I believe probabilities are very high that quite soon our current high will be reached. Yes, our current high will be reached, and moreover, chances are high that the market will go even higher. So our task is to identify the zone, identify the area from where this bullish movement will most likely initiate. And the closest strong structure that we spotted with my students is right here. Yes, look at this horizontal structure support. I believe that for now it is the closest zone of demand from where it will be safe for us to buy the pair. So what I want you to do, Willie, I want you to wait for the moment when that structure is reached. Yes, let the price reach that structure first. And then right here, look for the confirmation. Yes, look for the confirmation on intraday time frames, the reversal pattern on intraday time frames, and then buy expecting a bullish continuation. Yes, let me know, traders, if everything is clear right here. We are trying to identify the level from where it will be safe for us to buy or sell the market. Because we are very bullish on pound yen, because we're trading in a global bullish trend, we are looking for key supports to buy from. And the closest key support to buy from is right here. And of course, yes, we are not blindly buying this key support, because as we know, quite often the market tends to break key levels. For example, look at that key structure right here. Look how the price broke that structure. Yes, the structure was broken to the upside, to the downside without any hesitation. So blind structure trading doesn't work, but structure trading with confirmation works. So let the price reach the structure and then look for the confirmation. Thank you for asking, by the way. Then it was a question from Selani about pound cat pair. Pound cat pair, by the way, is in my today's list for discussion. On pound cat pair, I see very nice shorting opportunities. So let's discuss how to catch it. What do we see on pound cat pair? First of all, Let's start with the trend analysis. Yes, traders, we are starting from a daily time frame. On a daily time frame, you can see that the market is very bearish. Yes, you can see that for a quite long period of time, the market is falling. And recently, we saw a very nice correctional movement. In December, the market started a bullish rally, and the price reached that horizontal structure resistance. Yes, very strong key level. And from that, we saw a bearish continuation. Look what happened just recently. Just recently, the price violated that horizontal key level to the downside. Yes, look, in the past, it was a very strong resistance, and it was broken, turned into support, and now it is broken again. And look how perfectly the price is respecting this structure. So, of course, chances will be very high that from here we will see a strong bearish rally. Yes, I hope that it is clear. Then, if we open a 4-hour time frame, look what we see on a 4-hour time frame. On a 4-hour time frame, the market is consolidating. The market is very indecisive. We are trading here within a narrow horizontal trading range. Yes, let me show you that that range right here. Yes, that is our range. I hope you see that. And that range we can apply for trading. Yes, with that range we can get our confirmation to short pound cat. How will we short the pair right here? We need the breakout of the ranges support as our trigger to sell. Yes, because once the support of the range is violated, it will signify that correctional movement here, this local indecision here, is over. Yes, and the market is ready for the next bearish wave. So your task right here will be to wait for the 4-hour candle close below the support of the range, and then you will sell on a retest. Selling on a retest, where will be your stop loss? Your stop loss will lie above the resistance of the range. There will be your safe stop. Yes, here it will lie. And where will be your target? Your target will be the closest strong structure. On a 4-hour time frame, the closest strong structure that I see is right here. Yes, I hope you see that structure. Around 168.5 level will be your first target for the trade. And your second target will be the retest of a current structure level. Yes, because as we discussed, the market is bearish, and most likely it will drop all the way down to the current structure level. So you can catch a very nice trend following trade right here. Let me know, traders, if everything is clear with this trade. You can see that again we started with a daily time frame. We spotted that the market is trading in a bearish trend. Then we spotted that the price recently broke that key level to the downside, and now it is coiling around that. On the 4-hour time frame, we spotted a local horizontal trading range. Yes, and we discussed that the breakout of this range can give us a very nice shorting opportunity. By the way, one more clue right here is that the market is trading right now within this expanding wedge pattern. And here we got a very nice confluence between the horizontal structure and a resistance line of this expanding wedge. Yes, so outlook is very bearish. Let me know if everything is clear, traders. Let me know if you agree with me concerning this trade on pound cat. I see the question from Vasily and Venus Gazer concerning US 30 and UK or US 100 and UK 100. Let's take a look at this together, traders. US 100. US 100, similar to S&P 500, is currently approaching that major horizontal structure support. Yes, you can see that here we have a phenomenally strong structure. But for now, I don't see any confirmation on lower time frames to buy the index. Yes, when I was watching that in the morning, I see nothing here to buy. For now, you can see that right here we have a very nice foundation for a double bottom formation. So your signal to buy US 100 will be a bullish breakout of the neckline of this double bottom to the upside. Yes, in case if we have the violation, the 4-hour candle closes above, that will be your signal to buy. So pay close attention to this one. In order to not miss the breakout of the neckline, you can set the alert. Yes, set the alert just above the neckline and say neckline breakout. Yes, and then you will be notified by TradingView once the price attempts to violate that. Yes, I hope that it is clear. And concerning the UK 100, let's briefly take a look. I guess they all are very closely correlated, you know. The indexes are trading in a very close correlation. Here you look, it looks like the price started, not really. What do we have right here? Probably 618. Yes, the price here respected this 618 retracement, was nicely rejected from that 618 and started to go higher. Yeah, very bullish outlook, bro. Like with all the major indexes, right now we are looking for buying opportunities. Yes, so I believe that most likely our current high on UK 100 will be reached. Hi Vasily, where to buy commodities and indices for investment purposes? I mean without leverage. Question from Jafar. Good question. Bro, first of all, I guess you should open a special account. It is called the investing account. If I guess, yes, it is called the investing account. And to buy the indexes, you should look for the ETFs. Yes, you can buy them without leverage. I guess your bank should have such services. And in order to buy commodities without leverage, I believe that you need to have a qualified investor status. Yes, so you need to be a qualified investor to buy them. I have such a status, so I have a right to buy commodities without leverage. But because of the rules, the regulations in my country, and I believe it is kind of universal. So check that. Yes, it is a very local thing. Yes, and depends on the country where you are living. BTC USD update, please. Yes, we discussed that already. Then gold we also discussed. Traders, those who started to watch the stream, now we already discussed dollar Swiss, pound dollar, euro dollar, gold, dollar cat. Watch the recording. All the pairs are discussed there, and some trades already given. What altcoins are you watching, Vasily? I'm watching, for now I'm watching Litecoin, Dogecoin. By the way, also I'm watching Toncoin. I don't know if you heard about this coin, but it is the coin that was endorsed by Pavel Durov, the founder of Telegram. Yes, and as I know, they are planning to use this coin as for payments on Telegram. So I decided to buy a couple of coins. Yes, and it is kind of my investment in Telegram. So I hope that it will play out. Please consider that, read about this one. I think it looks quite appealing. Yes, in contrast to Shipcoin or Dogecoin, you know, the meme coins, where we have only memes and nothing behind these coins. Here, you know, it looks like Telegram is preparing the integration with this coin, so it may lead to bullish rally on this one. So read something about this. I also watched Litecoin, yes, because it is on a key level. Dogecoin on a key level. Link right now on a key level. Very strong weekly structure right here. ADA is on a key level right here. XMR, Monero coin. Monero, yes, also on a key level. So a lot of coins right now are on key levels. So you can see that those that I'm watching are flagged with the green. Yes, so monitor them carefully. Yes, let me know, traders, if everything is clear so far. Let me know, traders, if you agree with my analysis, and if you want to ask me something, please feel free to do that. I see a lot of questions from Lukman concerning dollar Swiss, and questions from Selaning about pound cat. These are already discussed, traders. Yes, I already analyzed these pairs, and I'm kindly asking not to spam any chat, because when you post when you post your messages so many times, I miss the messages from other traders. So let's respect all the members right here, and please, if you want me to answer all your questions, please do not spam, because I simply can miss some of your questions. Which fib levels are the strongest, most important for you, says Bart. Thank you for asking, Bart. In my view, the strongest fib levels are the default key levels, default fib levels. Let's take a look at them. 382, 05, 786, 618. These are, in my view, the most important. These are the strongest fib levels to watch. And moreover, Bart, remember that it is highly preferable to look for fib confluence. Yes, one single fib level is not that strong, but when you see the confluence of at least two fib levels, quite often it gives you a very strong point to buy or sell from. And concerning fib extension tool, again, the strongest levels are the default levels. Apply 1272, 1414, and 1618. Yes, there's three levels to watch. Yes, in my view, they are very, 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 very important. Then I saw the question concerning thanks for that Telegram coin. Thank you, Bart. Yes, read about that. Don't buy it blindly. Read about that first. Yes, I do not suggest you buy that. I simply tell that it is my investment decision, but please do your own research before you buy. I saw the question about US 30, and I guess US 30 should be similar to all other indexes. Yeah, US 30, you can see that here we are trading in a channel. Yes, rising major channel right here. Was it broken? You know, very funny thing about these channels. From such a perspective, it is hard to see whether it is broken or not. Definitely the price violated that to the downside. We dropped lower, and we respected that horizontal structure support. And you can see that right now we are again trading above the broken support of the channel. So again, I am very bullish. Let me be honest. On indexes, it is better to be bullish, because over time they tend to grow. Yes, just buying the indexes, chances are always higher to make money than to sell the indexes. So look here, I see, by the way, I see this flag formation. Yeah, look, do you see the flag formation right here on US 30? The price right now is stuck within the boundaries of this flag, and I guess a bullish breakout of the resistance of the flag will trigger a bullish movement. Moreover, within the flag, the price formed a double bottom formation. Yes, you can see that here we have a double bottom. The price is currently violating the neckline of this double bottom. So in case if we see the neckline breakout and the breakout of the resistance of the flag, I guess a strong bullish rally will follow. So pay close attention to this flag and to this double bottom. Yes, I hope that it is clear. Let me know, traders, if you have any question. Let me know, traders, if you want me to analyze any pair, any instrument for you. Ashan says, kindly share your views regarding gold. Bro, we started this discussion with gold. Yes, at the beginning of a live stream, We discussed gold together. I shared these scenarios, potential scenarios for that. I shared my technical outlook. So please watch the recording. Yes. Hope you are good and best of health, says Arshan. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Thank you. People for his name says XRP. Yes, let's take a look at XRP. With XRP, it is not clear at the moment. Let's open a daily time frame. Let's see what is happening here on XRP. The key level that I am personally monitoring on XRP is this one. Yes, the closest key level that I am watching is right here, this. And you can see that for now that structure is not reached. If we open a 4-hour time frame, you can see that even though we are forming a double bottom right here, you can see that that key level is not reached. And according to my rules, in order to buy the instrument, in order to buy the financial instrument, first the instrument strictly should reach a key level. Yes, and for now the key level here is not reached. So your task right now, bro, is to wait for the test of that yellow structure first. Only when that yellow structure is reached, only then look for buying opportunities. Yes. And even if you see a neckline breakout of this double top to the upside, you know it will be very risky for you to buy the coin. So be extremely careful. Remember that the safest trading opportunities are always taken from key levels. Yes, wait for the test of a key level first and only then trade. Analyzing all those peers, don't you get tired, frustrated, or don't you think it's bulky at times? Says Akinola. You know, Akinola, I am big fan of what I am doing. I really like charting. And you know, when I was studying in university during the lectures, what I did all the time, I was staring at charts. Coming back home, I was staring at charts again. So, you know, I love it. Yes. And what is important for you to realize that if you want to become a full-time trader, you must really love it, because it is very painful. It is extremely hard. It is very hard to get how the things work right here. Yes, you will lose so much money before you learn how to make them here consistently. So the only way to stay afloat right here is to really love what you are doing. And I really love charting. Yes, you know, even when I'm going to sleep, even before I go to bed, I check the charts. Yes, I really love it. Moreover, I watch so many YouTube channels, yes, about trading, yes, crypto trading, forex trading, gold trading. Really love it. I read the analysis on trading view of other authors, so I'm really big fan of charting. So I hope you got my answer. And by the way, thank you for asking. John says, "Dear Vasily, I want more live streams like that. Could you do it more often?" Let me know, traders, by the way. Do you want to see more streams like that? Yes, and in case if you want to see more streams, what will be the most convenient day to you? Is it Wednesday, Friday, Monday? Let me know. And you know, John, the point is that I do such kind of live streams every morning for my students in my premium group. So each and every morning we see each other. I share with my students my trades, my active positions. We analyze the charts together. I answer the questions, and that's it. So I do that every day. Yes, and if you want more live streams like that, simply join my premium educational group. US30, Abdullah, we already discussed US30. I already analyzed that, I guess, 5 minutes ago. So just check the recording there. I showed a confirmation that I'm looking for. Yeah. Selene says definitely Monday. Emphasis Monday. Yeah, I guess next time I will try to do that on Monday. Yes, it looks like to many of you, Monday is the best time for live streaming. So I guess next time we will see each other on Monday. Yes, and I hope the next live stream will be in 1 week probably. Yes, so I will definitely announce that. Bart says thank you for Fibs, bro. My pleasure, bro. My pleasure. Vasily, how long do you stay in your trades from a structure zone with the confirmation? When we are in a trade, we have our take profit level and we have our stop loss. And we are in a trade simply while one of these levels is not reached. Yes, once your take profit level is reached, you make money and you close the trade. And if your stop loss level is reached, you lose money and you close the trade. And usually it is the holding time is around 1-2 days. Yes, it is not that long. Yes, because I consider myself primarily to be the intraday trader. Yes, and thank you for asking. Dimitrius Kotsis says, hi Vasily, Euro pound. Thank you. Yes, Euro pound. Let's take a look. Euro pound is very tricky. Very tricky. And to be honest, it is quite hard right now to make to treat it. Yes. First of all, starting our analysis from a daily time frame, definitely we are very bearish. Definitely the market is trading in a bearish trend right here. And it looks like the goal for sellers right now is that strong structure. Yes, here. We almost reached that structure, and I believe that quite soon we will be there. Yes, it is the major structure of 2020. You can see that in 2020 we saw a major bullish rally from that structure. So I believe quite soon that structure will be reached. And on a daily time frame, at the moment the market is respecting this trend line. Now this, let me remember from where I was drawing this one. Yes, this trend line. Look, for now the price perfectly respects this trend line. And the closest strong resistance that we see from a current perspective is right here. So there are three options for you to follow right here, bro. The first option is to wait for the test of that trend line and buy the market, yes, catch a pullback from that trend line. The second option is to wait for the test of that yellow structure, and from that structure try to catch a strong bullish rally, yes. And the third option is to wait for the test of that resistance and short this resistance after confirmation. Yes, so 3 points for you to watch. For now, my plan is the following. For now, I'm patiently waiting for the test of that structure. Yes, I really want to buy from that level, and I hope that soon this level will be reached, and then I will look for the confirmation to buy. Again, traders, what is the confirmation? Confirmation confirms the strength of the structure that you spotted. So we spotted a major key level, yes, on higher time frames. And on intraday time frames, we simply are looking for the proof that the structure that we spotted is strong indeed. And price action here gives us a very nice confirmation. The reversal pattern, the double bottom, the inverted head and shoulders, the triangle, yes, something like that. That is the confirmation that we are looking for. Sugunan says, view on WTI crude oil, please. Bro, WTI crude oil we already analyzed. Yes, so please watch the recording. I guess we discussed WTI crude oil in the middle of this live stream. So please check. Yeah, and thank you for yeah, I see that many of you want to see more live streams, and everyone says that the best time is Monday. So yeah, so I promise the next time then we will see each other on Monday. Yes, so the next live stream will be on Monday. And thank you so much, Iris. I really appreciate that you watch this live streams, and I really appreciate that you wanted more. And Abel says, looking forward for more like this, sir. Enjoying your teachings daily. Keep it up with the smart charting. Thank you, thank you. Devin says Monday. Nigel says Monday. Thank you so much. Bharat says gold view, sir. Bro, we already discussed gold. Please check the recording. Yes, I already shared my view on gold. Then there was a question about CAT-SWES. Let's briefly take a look at CAT-SWES together. What is up with CAT-SWES? So CAT-SWES. Let's zoom out the chart. CAT-SWES is trading in a bullish trend. Yes, that is the fact. And recently, the price violated the resistance of this expanding wedge pattern to the upside. We violated that, then we saw the retest of the broken resistance of the wedge, and now we see a consequent bullish continuation. So I'm very bullish on CAT-SWES at the moment, and I believe that the market participants will aim at that high and then at that high. So I'm very bullish. And probably you see the double top formation right here, but that double top here is not that important as this broken resistance of the wedge. Yes, this broken resistance of the wedge is phenomenally important, and you can see how nicely the price reacted to that. So the outlook here is very bullish. Then New Zealand CAD. Yes, and Peter says Mondays are great for analysis. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I will do that on Monday next time. Thank you. New Zealand CAD, please. Let's take a look at New Zealand CAD. What is up with New Zealand CAD? New Zealand CAD is very bearish. The pair is falling nicely, and at the end of last year, in my Telegram channel, I even posted a very bearish outlook for New Zealand CAD. Here the price formed this classic descending triangle formation. We call that a bearish accumulation pattern. And you can see that the support of this triangle was broken to the downside, then we retested that, and now we see a strong bearish rally. So I believe that the market here will keep falling. The closest strong support for you to watch is right here around 83.5 level. That is the first strong support for you to watch, and the next strong support is right here. Yeah, so these are two areas for you to watch, and the outlook here is very, 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 very bearish. Thank you for asking. Yes, and let me know, traders, if everything is clear. Yes, let me know if you want me to analyze something else for you. Is it important to wait for the retest? And I've seen that some of time the market doesn't retest. How do you know if it is going to retest after breakout? Good question, Selani. The point is that there is no guarantee that the market will retest the broken structure. That is the fact. The only thing about retest trading that is true is the fact that it gives you more money. Look, imagine that we trade a double bottom formation. Yes, and here you have a neckline breakout. Two options for you. The first option is to buy aggressively once the candle closes above the neckline. And the second option is to wait for the retest of a broken neckline. What is the difference? Yes, with the same stop loss, and the same target, you will have completely different risk to reward ratio. Yes, so you can see that here, trading the same trading setup, we have completely different risk to reward. And here, this big profit is your reward for your patience. Yes, because of course, if you want to trade the retest, you must be extremely patient. Yes, you should wait for the moment of the retest. And as I told you, there is no guarantee that the price will retest the broken structure. Of course, sometimes the price just starts growing or falling without the retest, and some trades will be missed. But trading being a full-time trader, you will treat a lot of trading setups. You will treat a lot of instruments, and occasionally you will catch the retests. And in the long run, you will beat the aggressive trader. You simply will make more money. Yes, I hope that it is clear. Thank you for asking, by the way. It is a very good question, Selani. Please tell me, what do you think about volume profiles? Volumes are, in my view, volumes are good only for analysis. I buy stocks occasionally, and for stock selection, I apply weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I monitor the key levels on stocks, and I'm waiting for the moment when the weekly key level, weekly, not a daily, a weekly key level is reached. And then I am waiting for the so-called volume divergence. Please read about that in Investopedia. It is a very good confirmation for long-term buying of stocks. Yes, it is called again the volume divergence. Read about that. I guess it will help you. Let me know, traders, if everything is clear. I see the question from Kai concerning leverage. What leverage do you use on your trading account? I use 100 leverage, X100 at the moment. Also, I have the account with X20, but for now, I decided to play more with X100. Cats West, please. I guess, bro, we just analyzed Cats West. Let's briefly take a look at this one. Yes, bro. We just analyzed Cats West. We spotted right here. Expanding wedge pattern, bullish breakout of that, the retest, and the consequent bullish continuation. And we concluded that Cats West is a very bullish pair. What about natural gas? Thank you so much, says Pedro. Pedro, I'm very bullish on natural gas. I believe that it will keep growing. Let's take a look at this one together. Here's my long trade. I bought that a couple of days ago on a daily time frame. Not even on a daily. Let's open the 3D chart. On a 3D chart, I spotted a major key level. Yes, very strong key level right here. Look at this key level. Yes, it is very strong. And recently that key level was reached, and on that the price formed so cute double bottom formation. Yes, then the neckline of this double bottom formation was broken to the upside, and on a retest I bought the market, and here I expect a strong bullish rally. Yes, here's my trade. Yes, and I hope that quite soon the market will be there. And as you know, right now there are some tensions between Russia and Ukraine, and of course that may lead to the increase in gas prices. Yes, so that is not only the technical trade. In my view, it is very fundamental trade as well. Yes, I hope that it is clear. Zuher says, I love your trade. Thank you, bro. Thank you so much. I love my my trades as well. Can we have your short view on silver and natural gas? Yes, natural gas is here, Kyron, and silver, of course. Let's take a look at silver together. What is happening with silver? Silver is right here. Let's take away all the drawings. So on silver, 2 times in a row, we bounced nicely from that major horizontal structure support. And recently, the price broke that resistance. You can see that for a quite long period of time, the market was consolidating. You can see that here we were trading within this range. Yes, and that range was broken to the upside. What I'm looking for right now on silver, I'm looking for the test of the broken resistance of the range. I want to see the test of that structure, and here I'm waiting for the confirmation to buy the market. Yes, and I believe once we get our confirmation, the market will start growing to this local high and to that high. So outlook is very bullish. Moreover, look here, we have a very huge double bottom formation with a high level. So A lot of clues. Moreover, if we open a weekly time frame, we are trading here in the global range. Yes, look, we are trading in a global horizontal range, and most likely, silver will start growing soon. Yes, look how the price acted in the past. Yes, it reached that support, bounced, returned back to that support, and then started to grow. Look, and right now the situation is very similar. Yes, we reached that support, bounced, we returned back to that support, and something tells me that the market will keep growing right here. So the outlook is very bullish on silver. Kenneth says, thank you, Vasily, for your content. You are the best. Thank you for watching. Traders, thank you for watching. Thank you for asking your questions. I truly appreciate that. It is so nice that we can have a dialogue right here. Yes, it is nice that we have so nice ambiance right here and we can talk. I really love it. Vasily, you really enlightened my knowledge about horizontal structures. Thank you. When I come back to Russia or Finland, you would be the professional first trader I would see. Thank you, bro. Thank you. I really appreciate your words. Does Wicca theory works? I tried, and to me, it simply doesn't make sense. I was trying to apply that when I was learning how to trade. I even read some books about that. I was watching a couple of YouTube channels about this trading method. But unfortunately, it just doesn't make sense. The price action patterns, what I love about them is that they really make sense. I watch them and I understand what the market participants are doing. But with the Wyckoff method, I simply cannot read that. Yes. Being a trader, quite occasionally you will face the drawdowns, the losing streaks. And in order to stay afloat, you must believe in your system. Yes, you must trust it. And when the system that you are applying doesn't make sense to you, you will most likely drop it. Yes. And when I see the drawdowns, when I see the losing streaks, I keep trading. I don't give up simply because the strategy that I'm applying, it makes sense to me. Yes, and it helps me stay afloat. Yes, I hope that it is clear. You enter buy with price action on retest or support. Ellie, I am looking for key levels. Yes, on a daily time frame, I'm looking for key levels. Then on lower time frames, I'm looking for the reversal patterns. For example, double bottom. When you spot the double bottom, you have the neckline. Yes, you have two lows and the neckline between them. So what I'm looking for the breakout of the neckline. Yes, and we have the neckline in head and shoulders pattern, in triangle. We have the necklines among all these price action patterns. So the trigger that I'm looking for is the breakout of the neckline, and then on the retest, I buy. So I hope that it is clear. Thanks, Vasily. It is very clear now. Wait for the retest and confirmation to go long. Yes, sir. That is what I'm trying to say, Kyron. Thank you. Have a nice and lucky day. Thanks a lot. Yes, make more live technical analysis Monday. I got answers for all my questions, but others was asking them. Thank you, Christina. Thank you so much. How many trades should a day trader take in a day? I guess there's no. I guess it all depends on your trading strategy. Yes, it is very important to not overtrade because it is extremely difficult to hold multiple trades at once. Yes, trade management is quite hard, and I would suggest taking no more than 4 trades per day. Yes, even 3 trades. If you are a newbie trader, yes, it is very important for you to learn to be disciplined, to learn to follow your rules. And for that reason, you should learn to take only the best trades, only the trades that you truly trust. And it takes time. So please don't over trades. Appreciate you, bro. Been following you for a while, says Willie. Thank you, Willie, for following. Thank you so much. Mean key level enter with price actions. Yes, Sally. Yes, you are correct. Thank you, Vasily. You are the best. Yeah, thank you. And River says, "Hey, Vasily, what is your view on gold, bro? Please watch the recording. We already discussed gold. Yes, at the beginning of a live stream, we analyzed gold together. So please watch it. Yes, and I guess it is the good moment for us to finish our today's live stream. Yes, I guess, traders, we got a very nice discussion. Yes, so many questions right here, so nice feedback, so many comments. I truly appreciate that. And we discussed a lot of trades. Yes, a lot of pairs, a lot of instruments. So hopefully these trades will play out. Yes. Please, traders, don't forget to like this live stream. Yes, support me with like. It is it is the best thing that you can do. Yeah, and yes, I will try to do the next live session on Monday. I don't think it will be the next week. I guess it will be the week after next week. Yes, so stay tuned. Yes, follow me on Telegram, on Instagram. The announcements will be made right there. Yes, yeah. All right, let me briefly analyze Aussie Yen for you. I see the question about Aussie Yen. With Aussie Yen, bro, we just broke. Let's open the daily time frame. With Aussie Yen, bro, we recently violated that level to the downside, and it is not good. It looks like the pair will go lower. I guess the breakout of that structure will make the market go a bit lower, at least to that high level. So I am locally bearish on the pair. Yes. How strong daily key levels are? You know, it always depends. Yes, key levels are strong when you see the confirmation, and they are weak when there is no confirmation. Yes, that is how we check the strength of a key level. Thank you so much, traders, for watching. Thank you for being with me today. The recording of this live stream will be posted on YouTube, so if you missed the beginning, don't worry, the recording will be published. Thank you so much for being with me today, traders.